How to play Wordle on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Chrome app and go on professionallanguage.co.uk, and over there, which is the professional website for Wordle, you have to play Wordle on there, and then you have to go on share and then go on copy text. As you go on copy text, now you have to go on your Instagram app. As you go on the Instagram app, then you have to go on story, and then you have to go on create, and after going to create, you have to go on first option, that is create option, and then you have to type in your Wordle result, and then you have to hit next. As you hit next, then you can set it to your story and also your close friends. Now while you have sent it to your close friend, then you will be able to play Wordle on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.